Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School Kuntinagar Navada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern English School Navada Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the second video lecture of the Unit 3 Chapter 1, that is our some of the areas of applications of computer. Okay students, in the last class we have discussed what are the characteristics of computer and what are the limitations of computer. Okay, today's class we will discuss the what the computer can be used in which area. Okay students, that means in which type of the areas we can easily use the computer. As we know that students what nowadays computer can be used in every area of the field. No one of the area the computer is not used in each and every area, from the studying case, yes or no student, from the booking case, okay, analysis case, research case, medical case, medicine store case, yes or no, military case, okay students, another business case, banking case, railway case, each and everywhere, each and every field the computer is used. Because of what we can easily take the output within the very less time. Okay, we can easily calculate in the very less time. We can easily make the document. We can easily source the information from the database. Yes or no students? And that type of the database can be created in the computer. Without the computer, it is not possible to source the any type of the information in the very less time. Okay students, we can easily deposit the money, transfer the money from our account to other accounts. So these are all the fields which can be very easily used. Okay student, so we will discuss one by one student. There are so many areas where we are easily use the computer. Today we will discuss the some of the areas of the application of computer, and in the next video class also we discuss another area of the application of the computer. Is that clear? The student, the first one is about business. Students, we know that today we are prefer the online purchasing. Now in the 2 or 3 months we are fearing to go outside to purchase something from the market due to COVID-19. Yes or no student? The students, that is which is preferred the what e-commerce. We know that e-commerce means to sell or buy the product by the online system. It's called as a e-commerce. Okay, that is also business. Amazon, Flipkart, that is your business. The business students what? The business, why the business is use the computer? Because those of the businessmen have developed the new items. They want to make the more and more popularity of that new productivity item. How it is possible? By the help of the presentation. How to make the presentation? By the help of the computer. Yes or no students? Is that clear? The students, the business and the business also, they are using the what? Payroll software. What is the use of this one? The student, by the help of the payroll software, the employees, those employees are working under the businessman, industry, factory, any of the educational institution, university, railway system, each and every, they have preferred the what business. Yes or no student? They always make the payroll system. That means payment slip. How to make the payment slip? By the help of the payroll software. That is under the what, student? Business. Is that clear or no, students? So in the business, they want to make the calculation. Yes or no, students? Because in the Sensex, we are always checking how much money as compared with the dollar is increased or decreased. Each and every, that is under the business. Yes or no, students? We can easily collect the information, okay, students, about the business purposes, or the businessman, they can easily take the information about the business matter by the help of the computer. Is that clear, students? In this way, we discuss the what? Business. Next area of application is the student what? Banking. So students, nowadays, the maximum customers are preferred the online banking, internet banking, e-banking, UPI method. Yes or no, students? The student, why they prefer this one? Because go to the bank, you have to stand in a queue order. Whether the transfer the money or check the balance or withdraw the money or fix the money, whatever, everything, when you will go to the bank, you have to stand in a queue. So it will take time. In the hot season, we are feeling so hot. In the cold season, we are feeling so cold. So you will face the irritate. Yes or no, student? If the standing queue is the very long, that means you will feel the irritate. That means what? Today you think that what? Today I will not deposit the money because the standing queue is very long. So today I will not deposit. Yes or no? So that's why, students, today's case, this type of the problem will not be happen. It's not happen because due to e-banking system, internet banking system, online banking system, UPI method, we can easily transfer the money from one account to other account. Okay, students, we can easily check the balance. Okay, we can easily update the information. We can easily collect the information. How much amount our fixed deposit amount, how much it will be maturity amount, we can easily collect that one, or that is the information by the internet banking. Yes or no, student? Suppose I want to check the last 10 transactions, how much time I have withdrawn the money or deposit the money. I want to take the statement by the internet banking. You can easily take the statement also. Okay, student. So in this way, the banking sector also, they are using the computer. So that's why today's banking system is called as a digital banking. Okay, today's business is called as a e-commerce. Okay, students, and this is called as a what? Digital banking. Digital banking. Okay, students. The next one is your student. The important one is your what? Education and research. Students, education and research case, the most preferred the computer, because nowadays the students are preferred the smart classroom. What do you mean by smart classroom? Such type of the classrooms are used the projector, computer, etc. That's called as a smart classroom. That means they are studying. The students will be studied, or they are studying by the computer, by the big screen of the projector. That is called as a what, students? Our smart class. Nowadays, the school students also from 1 to 10, also they are using the computer lab. Yes or no? So these are all the education. Nowadays also, the students are also easily get the information. CBSE books information of different classes, different books, different chapter, we can easily take the information from the internet. Yes or no, students? But we need the internet, so we must use the computer. And the research also is the part of the study. That means after completing your higher education, means after the PG level, yes or no, postgraduate level, you can easily make the PhD. For that, which type of the studies are PhD? Those are the research. Yes or no, student? The students, we can easily take the information, analysis the information about our studying case. Also, by the help of the computer, you can easily do this one. Okay, student. Next one is about healthcare and medicines. The students, nowadays each and every medical, each and every hospitals, they are using the word computer. Yes or no? Because students, suppose we want to test or some of the patient, they test the word ECG, CT scan, ultrasound. How to do that type of the test? By the help of the computer. Echo test, ECG test, EEG test, okay, ultrasound, CT scan. Okay, students. So these type of the test can be done by the computer, and these type of the instruments are available in the medical hospital. Okay, students, is that clear or not? So due to computer, the doctor are also can easily check the patient actually what type of the problem they are facing. Yes or no? Before the computer, they are facing so many problems they were facing, and nowadays they can easily analyze. Those doctors are good diagnoses. Okay, students, that means those doctors are good diagnoses. That type of that patients are very quickly well. Otherwise, first of all, the student is giving the what? First of all, he is thinking, or he or she is thinking, this type of the problem they have faced, to give the medicine. It is not good. So again, that patient again come to that doctor, again give the medicine. That means because they are not watching a perfect problem from the patient's side. But nowadays, students, exact report we can take. That means what type of the problems have suffered by the patient, the doctor are easily analysis, and they are easily giving the medicine to the patient. Yes or no? So that is our what? Medicine. So diagnosis, that means those doctors are good diagnosis. That means those doctors are well known about the patient, what type of the problem they are faced. That is their diagnosis. And after diagnosing, what? They will write the medicine. Okay, students, different companies have different medicines are there. Okay, the students go to the medicine stores. They are also using the what? Computer, because inside the computer they store the what? Medicines. How much balance of that particular medicines are available, how much medicines have left already, and okay, students, how many balance are there, they can easily calculate by the medicine store. For this one, they are using the what? Computer. Is that clear, student? Is that clear? Next one, student, were scientific research. The students, as we know very well that one, what is the use of the scientific research by the computer. So students, nowadays weather forecasting. Today's scientists, they are easily what? Analysis, and they are easily tell the today's any type of the hot or rainy or winter will be there, how much temperature today will be, or after 2 days, after 3 days, after 10 days, what type of the monsoons will be there or here, they can easily forecast it. Yes or no, student? They can easily analysis, okay, by the help of the computer. Is that clear, student? The military students. We know that military, that means naval, air force, army. The three types of are under the word military. What they are using the computer, they want to take the signal from which side the terrorists will be attacked. They are attacking, and or other what, student, that is called as a what, information, very private information they want to collect. Okay, signal. That means one of the missile they will be what, student, thrown out. They want to throw the one of the missile. So how much kilometer it will be, they are gone out. Okay, if I will be started from here, how much distance it will be covered, they can easily analysis by the computer. So today so many types of missiles are there, ships have developed are there also, aeroplane are also. So students, how it will be very easily developed by the help of the computer. Is that clear or no, student? Students, military very necessary to use the computer today. Now you see what Chinese, they want to capture one part of our country. For that, now they are fighting to each other. Yes or no, student? Then how to collect that information, how to develop the one of the missile, how to update the information. This type of situations will be happened in that border. Okay, students. For this student, the computer is helping us. Yes or no, student? So student, so many ways the computer are very useful, very helpful in the military, scientist research, medical store, hospital, business, this type of the thing. Okay, students. So students, today's class we have discussed some of the areas of the application of computer. In the next class we will discuss another areas of the application of computer. Okay, students. So today only we discuss this one. You have read this one, watch it, and if you have doubt, ask me. Okay, students. Bye bye. Thank you.